What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what is going on in the car community on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, please do check out my other videos. We're a car discussion channel, guys, so do get involved. Do smash that subscribe button and even better the like button, just for that YouTube algorithm. Plans for the channel is hopefully get a project car at some stage this year, and we're aiming for 2,000 subs. That's the plan. And on today's episode, we're just going to be doing two quick channels, just Stradman and Royalty Exotics. So we're just going to jump straight into it, so I don't want to keep too much of your time. So we're going to kick it off, guys, with Stradman. His latest video was basically him driving his Supra back to back to Salt Lake City, Utah, and he stopped off, I think he was in Texas, and he's basically stopped off. I don't know who this guy is, but your man is obviously fucking loaded, and he has the greatest, unbelievable, sexiest, fucking the best car ever in the world. I agree with Stradman. This is my number one over car, along with the Koenigsegg Regera. The Cerberus painted P1. It is basically like the unicorn dream of cars. Is my most favorite paint job ever on a car. I mean, I absolutely fucking love this thing. I don't even know if you can replicate this paint job, because it's a special paint job done. It's MSO done by McLaren. I'm presuming you can maybe get a wrap that replicates it, but you can never beat the real thing. I wonder how much that paint job would cost, or I wonder if you can even replicate it, or even if you can get the paint code for it, because there's so many flips in it. But my God, I mean, if I was rich enough to win the lotto, the Regera and this car would be my number one cars I'd probably buy. It is hands down like if I saw this car in real life, I'd probably just, probably go over to the bush and have a private wank or something. I love that car this much. I see where James is coming from. I mean, my God, it's just sex and wheels, and I absolutely love it. I want to know from you guys in the comments below, what would be your ultimate dream hypercar, supercar, sports car? In the comments below. I'd love to hear what people come out with in the comments below. It'll be very, very interesting. This is the one video when Stradman did, I was just like, out of all the cars he's kind of got, I was like, this is the unicorn, like the number one. It's gutting that he didn't actually buy this car, or he tried to buy it and he ended up losing out. Somebody else, I think, bid maybe a bit higher and got the car from somebody else. So yeah, ultimate dream car, guys. If it ever happens we win the lotto, you will see it on this channel. And next up and last on the list is going to be Royalty Exotics. Just wanted to cover it because I was flabbergasted the numbers he was throwing out, how much Murcielagos have gone up in price, especially manuals and stuff like that, SVs. But he has bought, I think he's bought this silver SV Murcielago E-Gear. I think he said it was $1 million. Now, don't get me wrong, I remember like Murcielagos were around, at the time, were around 550, 600,000 for Murcielagos, at least an SV anyway. But they're gone up to $1 million. He was saying that a manual SV now is worth anywhere around 3 million. I just, what the fuck, like, I didn't even know they got that expensive. I was, probably because they're so rare now. Would I spend 3 million on a Murcielago? I don't know. But anyway, like, the car is gorgeous, and this is why a Murcielago is hands down for me one of the best sounding cars. This sounds fucking epic. Yeah, guys, let me know, would you spend $1 million on an E-Gear Murcielago? I'd be interested to hear that one. Or what do you think is the best sounding car? Do comment below in the comments that you think. For me, a Fab Speed exhaust on a Murcielago is definitely probably my most favorite sounding car out there. I know there's a lot of other crazy sounding cars like the V12 Zonda. It would definitely be up there, the Lexus LFA, the V10. Like, you know, there's a lot of good sounding cars out there. But for me, Murcielago, I would have to say, like, and even the Gintani tunes exhaust system on SDJ is fucking ridiculous as well. So that'd be my kind of picks. Just so I bring to your attention, let me know what you think of the Murcielago. And in silver, I don't think I've ever seen one in silver before. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this spec SV that Houston got. It's a pity he doesn't post more on his channel about more bigger buys and stuff. It's the problem with me with Royalty now is they've gone too much into the damage stuff, which I have no interest in. I like him seeing doing builds and some of the high exotic car he buys and change them a bit. For me, Royalty is kind of like gone down a bit, and they don't even post a lot anymore. So it's a pity, because I really like that channel. So hopefully they'll pick it back up. But let me know what you think of Royalty Exotics below as well, guys. So I just wanted to cover those two channels. Thanks a million again if you've watched the end. Please do smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and again, please do subscribe if you're new and watch to the end. And anybody that subscribed there in the last day or two, whoever you are, thanks a million. The numbers keep going up, guys. I'm going to try and keep posting as best I can. My laptop is it's acting up. It's overheating when I'm trying to edit videos. That's why I'm not posting every day. I can't. It's just so slow and so bad that's taking me nearly like 2.5 hours to make like a 10-minute video. So I need to get it fixed. I'm on the case, but I'm just going to be posting maybe 3 or 4 videos a week at the moment, and then we'll bump it up once I get this piece of shit sorted. So thanks for holding out, guys. So until the next episode, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.